Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making our easy tomato basil soup that tastes just like La Madeleine's. And if you've ever tried La Madeleine's tomato basil soup, you know their incredibly delicious creamy soup is famous for a reason. Now you can make this classic French soup at home with our easy recipe in less than 20 minutes. Here's a quick look at most of our ingredients. Check out the recipe and full ingredient list in the description box below. First, mince 1 clove of garlic. If you're new to our channel, we will show you how to make homemade food that's easy and delicious and perfect for sharing with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. And if you like this recipe, consider sharing our channel with a friend. Then peel and dice 1 medium-sized onion. In a large heavy bottom pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive or avocado oil over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add the onion and the garlic and cook them over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally. And we're going to cook these until they're softened, but not browned. We like to eat sourdough crackers and hot grilled cheese with our tomato soup. What's your favorite thing to eat with tomato soup? We always want to hear your opinions. Once the onion and garlic are softened, sprinkle in the 2 tablespoons of flour and stir it to incorporate. Cook this for about 2 minutes. Then slowly mix in 2 cups of chicken broth and stir this to prevent the flour from clumping. Add the can of tomatoes. I like using the San Marzano tomatoes, which are a variety of tomatoes, and you can find them from a couple of different brands. Cook the mixture for about 5 minutes. This recipe is super easy to make vegetarian. Instead of the chicken broth, substitute vegetable broth. Add 1 teaspoon of thyme. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and stir it to combine. Then blend the soup using an immersion blender or a standard blender. Then taste to adjust the seasonings. If you find that your tomatoes need a flavor boost, add a tablespoon or 2 of tomato paste and stir that in. Our recipe for La Madeleine's tomato basil soup makes a wonderful cozy meal that you're going to love. If you make this recipe, let us know how it turned out for you. Cook for 10 minutes and serve. Ladle into bowls and top with garlic croutons, goat cheese crumbles, and our favorite grilled cheese sandwiches. And I love my grilled cheese sandwiches stacked with jalapenos. If you love to entertain, check out our potluck favorites playlist. And here's another recipe that I think you'll like. Alright, I will see you in the next video.